Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. I'm so sorry I didn't post a video last week. My niece was born on January 30th, so I've been soaking up all of that time with her. I'm absolutely obsessed with her. She's the cutest little thing. But I finally gave her a break from me and I got some time to film today. So I did this very neutral eye pop of red on the lips. I think this is perfect for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look and let me know in the comment section if you do. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click on the bell icon so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. So I've already done my base. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyes. We're gonna keep it really simple just because the lip is kind of the statement for this look. So I'm first gonna go in with this color right here. This is the Morphe Grand Glam palette. Honestly, you can just go in with any neutral brown shade that you might have. And I'm just gonna go in with a big fluffy brush and just dust that all in my crease. I'm just starting in the middle of my crease and just blending this left and right. I'm gonna go in with this color right here just to deepen up that crease. I'm not really trying to bring this onto my lid since we're gonna go in with a lighter shade. So now I'm using this color right here and I'm going to deepen the crease even more. And with this color, I'm just dragging it out and kind of upward. This will kind of give you more of like a lifted eye. And then just going in with the fluffy brush with no color on it and just kind of blending everything together. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a light beigey color. I'm using this one right here. I'm really just applying this all over the lid with a flat shader brush. So I'm using an eyeliner brush and I'm gonna go in with this color, the deepest brown in the palette, and I'm gonna line my lid with this. I'm gonna get very close to the lash line and kind of create like an eyeliner. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go in with a black because you can't really see that much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that dark brown from the palette and just kind of blend out the line so it doesn't look super harsh. And that really just completes the eyeshadow for this look. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. So now to finish off my eyes, I'm gonna use the same Jaclyn Cosmetics highlight. So I literally just take whatever's in this lid. This highlight is very pigmented, so I'm really just gonna apply a light amount on the high points of my brow. And I'm really just like tapping whatever's in the lid and then just dusting it off on the side of my hand and just applying whatever's left on my brow. It's already very pigmented even with dusting off some of the product. And this color is so pretty on deeper skin tones. I just love it. And then with a smaller brush, I'm gonna do the same thing, apply it in the inner corners of my eye. Okay, and then I'm going to work on my lower lash line, and I'm just gonna apply the same browns that I put on the lid. I'm just gonna dust that kind of in the middle of the eye and then work outward and inward. And then with a smaller pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with this deeper shade and just apply that to the outer third. So I'm gonna use this pencil eyeliner from Kat Von D Beauty, and I'm gonna apply this to my upper lash line. This will just help connect everything, that way you don't see any skin. And now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm not going to apply lashes today. You can of course add falsies to this and it would make your eyes pop. But I'm just gonna leave it out today and work with my natural lashes. Like I told you guys before, I tried out lash extensions and it totally ruined my lashes, and I've been trying to grow them back by using like serums and stuff. And I recently tried out Dime Beauty's lash serum, and I haven't even used it for like a full month. I've used it for like 2 weeks and I'm already noticing a huge difference, and I've tried quite a few, so I'm actually really loving how my natural lashes look. So I'm gonna go in with the tried and true Telescopic mascara. I'm gonna apply some of this to my lower lash line. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick. I'm going to use this NYX Lip Liner, and it's in the shade Dark Red, and I'm just gonna line my lips. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Clinique lipstick, and this is in the shade Peppermint Pop. I'm actually going to go in with the Kat Von D lip liner in the shade Crucifix. I'm going to use this to kind of deepen up the lip a little. Okay, so that completes the look. I don't usually do red on my lips, but I'm actually loving the way this turned out. You can of course switch it out for a pink if you like, or just a nude if that's your go-to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.